Welcome back. To resolve dual citizenship issue, Union government is open to amend Indian Citizenship Act 1955. A high-level meeting under the leadership of South Goa MP Narendra Sawaiker was held at Secretariat on Saturday. 5-member committee met the stakeholders and the government officials. Based on the inputs, a delegation will submit a report to the Union Home Ministry with recommendations.
Head of the 5-member high-level committee B.K. Prasad, Additional Secretary, Union Home Minister held a meeting to resolve the issue of those who have registered their birth in Portugal. South Goa MP Narendra Sawaiker informed that the committee has taken input from all the stakeholders and lawyers who have knowledge of Portuguese law and government officials. Committee will recommend whether to amend the Indian Citizenship Act 1955 to resolve dual citizenship issue in Goa.
सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटान एक कमिटी अपॉइंट केल्ली आसा ती कमिटी काल आयिल्ली त्या कमिटीन कांय जाण कांय लॉयर्स कांय रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह सिव्हिल सोसायटीचे कांय गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स त्यांचे सगळ्यांचे म्हणणे ऐकून घेतला. त्यांनी म्हटलं की कदाचित त्यांना जर गरज पडली जाल्यार परत एकदा ते परतून एक फावट गोंयांत येतले आनीकूय कांय जाणांक ऐकून घेतले आणि तेजे उपरांत इफ नेसेसरी जाल्यार आमच्या सिटीजनशीप एक्टा भितर जर सपोज एप्रोप्रिएट अमेंडमेंट करून जर हातून कितें आमी सोल्युशन काडपाक शकता आसत जाल्यार तो तें सोल्युशन काडप अशा प्रकारचो एक विचार खरें म्हणजे जावंक शकता काय कितें किंवा आनी कितें तातूंतल्यान उपाय आसा हें स्टडी करपा खातीर म्हणून ती कमिटी खरें म्हणजे काल गोंयांत आयिल्ली.
Nearly 40,000 citizens have Portuguese passport facing dual citizenship problem. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Prudent has won Business Goa Award 2015 as Media Company of the Year. This award has been given to Prudent for excellence in news gathering and presentation. Union Minister Shripad Naik said that Prudent is connected with both mass and class of Goa.
Business Goa annual award ceremony was held on Saturday night. Prudent bagged Business Goa Award 2015 in Best Media category. General Manager of Prudent, Sonia Kukalkar, attributed the award to Team Prudent.
Feeling very good. Firstly, it is to each and every person working at Prudent. This is on behalf of everybody that I received this award. So many of our fellows who work late at night when the rest of Goa is fast asleep, who come so early, and right from a technical team to our reporters, this award is for them. And I thank Business Goa for making this possible.
Chief guest of the function, Union Minister for Ayush, Shripad Naik said that Prudent has set a new high in Goan media.
Definitely, after Prudent starts, I think I can say the biggest and greatest contribution in Goa for news and other this thing is a very good contribution of Prudent. After coming Prudent in this line, you have seen that many channels, many news this thing came in the existence, and people have uphold this. So I can say Prudent have done a commendable job.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
An assault has been reported in Mershe on Sunday. Eknath Kurtikar, a resident of Mershe, is arrested for assaulting Hari Naik. Eknath was in a drunken state when they attacked the victim with a sword. Assaulter also attacked victim's wife and daughter. Victim Hari informed that assaulter always used abusive language. Old Goa police have arrested Eknath. However, the sword was missing till late Sunday evening.
He is the assaulter Eknath Kurtikar. On Sunday, he attacked Hari Naik and his wife at Mirshes.
एकनाथ पिवन घरा वयतालो आनी डेली रातचे म्हाका तो गाळी मारतालो. आमी जाप करना आसली आमची फॅमिली म्हाका गाळी मारतालो. आमी जाप करना आमकां गाळी तितलो सपोर्ट हें ना न्ही. आयज तसोच पिवन येयलो तो आनी बायल म्हाजी नुस्तें घेवपाक म्हण ती रस्त्यार उबी आशिल्ली. तिणी काडली ती तेजेर फाटल्याच्यान मारली. तें पडलें. तें चेडवान विचारलें तुवें कित्याक मारला? तेजेर काडून मारली. हें धाकटी चेडूं आसा इल्लेशें. तें भिवनूच भितर धांवलें. हांव येयलो मागीर आवाज जाता म्हण हांव भितर बशिल्लो पेपर वाचतालो. हांव येयलो कितें जाता काय येयली येयलो तीच म्हाजे धांवन येयली ते ठण करून मारली. दुसरी मारून पळय काडलेली हांव भितर धांवलो.
कितले दीस जाले तसो गाडी मारून?
असो आतां 2-4-5 म्हयने म्हणल्यार जाता अशेंच म्हणल्यार जाता. रातचे डेली गाडी मारून.
कितें अशें गाडी मारून?
कितें म्हणून हांव सांगू कितें सांगू तो गाडी मारता कित्याक म्हणून.
Old Goa police then arrested Eknath for assault, but police could not trace the sword used in the crime. Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Veteran journalist and editorial chairman of Outlook Group, Vinod Mehta, breathed his last at AIIMS on Sunday. Mehta was 72 years and succumbed to multi-organ failure after a prolonged illness. Condolences are pouring in from all sections on all platforms of media. Mehta was known for his bold journalism.
I feel bad for his wife, for his family, for the family of journalists who worked with him.
A genuine wit and a very perceptive and different view of political reality. He's established a place not only in the history of journalism, but I think in very many hearts.
You know, Vinod Mehta was one of the few editors to take a call on that, and was bold enough to say, "Look, I think there's a story here, even if it's points to uncomfortable truths about our own profession, journalism. But we owe it to readers to put it out there," and they did a great job.
The finest journalistic editor over the last 20-25 years in Indian journalism. He had that rare ability to intermingle with power without being swayed by it, persuaded by it. He was not a player in the power game.
I always found that he had no personal ambition, no career ambition, no political ambition. He did not work to develop contacts with the privileged, and I feel so sad that he passed away for actually last 3-4 months. He was ill, he was on ICU, he was on ventilator, and one wondered always how long this agony of being on ventilator will continue. And the news was not therefore completely unexpected. Despite that, I prayed that he might actually overcome the illness and come back to life with his usual energy, verve, and ebullience.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.